Gymnasium and we are having the championship game between the South and East District. Oh my gosh, I can't just deny the fact that I'm so hot in here because nakakahat talaga yung game. Nakaka-intense ng feeling kasi ang score nila is just having 1 point ahead for West District. And for this time, we're having their timeout kasi parang may na-injure kanina. And as you can see the crowd, they're really expecting more of the game and we also expect more of that later on. We will be knowing the champion later on after this timeout and we will start the game for about 2 minutes. Thank you. Ayan, nagkasagsagan na ng fourth quarter. Konting-konti na lang malalaman na natin kung sino magcha-champion. But before that, let us have an interview with our guest teacher, Miss Ruth Chu. Mom! Hi! Anong masasabi mo sa game and sinong bet mo? For this season, it's about volleyball, you know. It's between North and West districts, and here is my friend coming from the North district. Naging mabigat na labanan yung kanina. It has been a big difference from 10 to 2, and then you have come up in a minute na naging 9 na kayo. What do you think is the best technique that you could offer when you are in the game?
Ano lang, relax, tapos basta may natitira pang score, may hope pa rin, tapos ano lang, lead mo lang yung team mo, tapos ayun, trust lang sa self.
Yes, yun naman mga kaibigan, undeniably trust and confidence are the best key para manalo sa isang game. Good afternoon everyone, here is my professor, Mr. Carlo Dalangin, and he will give us some of his feelings towards this game. Sir, unsay feeling ni mo to with this championship game?
With the championship game sa volleyball? Actually, I'm happy. Overall, actually, I'm happy to see my students in a different field, in a different discipline. I mean, I'm happy already enough to see my students performing academically well. So now, parang mas nakakataba ng puso na they're exerting their time and effort and their passion on their own chosen field. So kung anong sport man yung nilaro nila.
Sir, any last words or last call for us athletistas for us to be inspired all over this up to the next years to come?
I think the ACTS, formerly the JPAMA, has a lot of in store for you guys, and your teachers also has a lot of in store for you. I hope you enjoy your stay here, and I hope you have a worthwhile and a fun-filled stay here in ACTEC.
Ayan, napaka-inspiring naman talaga ng message ni Sir Dalangin sa ating lahat. ACTECnistas, let's all be inspired and let's all be happy towards the end of this semester